Welcome to the world of cafe-level microfoam and latte art with the Flair eWizard Milk Steamer. This tutorial will cover what's included in the box, how to assemble the eWizard, instructions for your first steam, and a few safety precautions. Included in the box, you will find the eWizard Milk Steamer body, a locking steamer lid with pressure gauge and automatic purge valve, a cool touch steam wand, 2 removable nozzles, a 1-hole tip and a 3-hole tip. The 3-hole nozzle will be pre-installed. And a power cord. The eWizard is only compatible with 110 volt systems and cannot be used with a converter. Assembling the eWizard Milk Steamer. To assemble the eWizard, first attach the Cool Touch steam wand. Raise the collar and seat the end of the steam wand into the mounting base. Then lower the collar and screw onto the base, ensuring no threads are left visible. Next, choose your preferred nozzle and screw onto the end of the steam wand. If you choose the 1-hole tip, remove the 3-hole tip and screw on the 1-hole tip. Lastly, plug in the power cord. Place the steamer where you'll be steaming prior to filling, and do not turn on the steamer until it is filled with water. Now for your first steam. First, open the lid and fill with water to the fill line on the inside wall of the steamer. Do not overfill. Place the lid back onto the steamer body and lock the lid into position using the locking symbols on the collar of the Wizard body. Then turn on the steamer using the red switch on the rear side of the steamer base. When power is connected, the switch will illuminate as well as the indicator light on the front of the steamer base. Monitor the pressure gauge. Once the needle is in steaming range, it will be ready to steam milk. Fill your jug with cold milk to no more than 50% to allow room for the milk to expand. The steam wand will swivel 270 degrees. Orient the steam wand for your preferred steaming position. Prior to steaming, open the steam valve to 1/4 turn to purge the steam wand, then close. Insert the steam wand into the jug just below the surface of the milk. Open the steam valve to 1/4 turn to release the steam. Steam the milk to 60 degrees for best results. Turn the valve to 1/4 turn in the opposite direction to close the steam valve, remove the milk jug, and set aside. Wipe off the wand with a damp cloth and purge the wand. For a full tutorial on milk steaming and pouring latte art, please watch the latte art tutorial from Emilee Bryant. The link will be attached to the description of this video. Tips for the Flair eWizard Milk Steamer. The self-regulating pressure system. The eWizard has an integrated self-regulating pressure control system and will hold pressure at an optimal steaming range. The float switch. Installed inside the eWizard body is a float switch. If the water level is too low, the float switch will cut off power to the heating coils. However, pressure may still be held inside the eWizard body. To refill with water, ensure the eWizard has been fully depressurized and the gauge reads 0 bar pressure. Safety precautions. Do not open the eWizard if the gauge reads any level of pressure. When finished using, always turn the eWizard off. Let the unit depressurize completely before opening or attempting to refill. To do so, open the automatic pressure valve and steam valve until the gauge reads 0 pressure. Don't forget, the eWizard steamer will be very hot during use and after. Only touch silicone parts when operating. Never move the eWizard steamer while pressurized. If the automatic pressure valve activates, do not worry. Simply turn off the eWizard and allow the steam to purge. Cleaning the eWizard. The best way to keep your eWizard in great shape is to regularly flush with clean, cool water. If you have hard water, descaling may be required. Use a descaling agent such as Descal and follow the directions. Never use a brush or cleaning tool inside your eWizard, as this could damage the internal components. Thank you for purchasing the Flair eWizard Milk Steamer. We hope you enjoy bringing cafe quality steamed milk and latte art home with you. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer support team using the QR code in the instruction manual.